Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 852 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, MasterCard is allowing NFT purchases directly with card. Niftable has announced a partnership with Station Gallery, and Marathon has just posted its May results. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Cointelegraph reports that MasterCard, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker MA, is enabling card payments for NFTs, having partnered with a number of leading NFT marketplaces to allow 2.9 billion cardholders to directly make NFT purchases without first having to buy crypto. Previously, users were able to buy crypto so as to bid on and buy NFTs with MasterCard, but after partnering with NFT marketplaces including Immutable X, Candy Digital, The Sandbox, Mintable Spring, Nifty Gateway, and Web3 infrastructure provider MoonPay, MasterCard's cardholders can directly make NFT purchases without needing to buy the crypto first. A statement from the payment processing giant reads, quote, "These integrations are designed to make crypto more accessible and help the NFT ecosystem keep growing, innovating, and bringing in more fans." End quote. On the subject of NFTs, Niftable, which is the wholly owned subsidiary of Graph Blockchain Inc., trading on the CSE under the ticker GBLC, has announced a partnership agreement with Whitby Arts Inc., operating as Station Gallery, and will aid Station Gallery in the creation of NFTs, advise on the marketing strategy, sale of the NFTs, and post-sale of the NFTs. Michael Young, the president of Niftable, said, quote, "We are extremely happy to have Station Gallery as a partner and help guide them through the NFT world. We continue to hold that NFTs are a new venue for charities to access for fundraising. Furthermore, we look forward to showcasing some of the artists and artwork from Station Gallery this summer." End quote. Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker MARA, has published its unaudited Bitcoin production and miner installation updates for May 2022. Highlights include the production of 268 self-mined Bitcoin, bringing total holdings to 9,941 Bitcoin, a total of 19,000 miners installed and awaiting energization, and a current operating mining fleet total of 36,830 active miners producing approximately 3.9 exahash per second. Management commentary from the press release reads, quote, "We remain confident that Marathon is well positioned to achieve its performance goals, and we will continue to provide updates as they materialize. We have a strong foundation from which to build. We have a solid pipeline of potential hosting and power arrangements that exceeds our needs and allows us to diversify our operations, and we have a strong balance sheet to support our growth plans. We look forward to continuing to execute on our strategy of achieving carbon neutrality by the end of this year and growing to 23.3 exahash per second in early 2023. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.